Hi everyone, it's Robin. I'm here with Nameless, and we are going to try this again. I am going to copy this design. Oops. I am going to copy this design right here, and it's glitter that kind of moves around with the flames that say Savage. So, how do you do that without spending a lot of money or time? Is you get yellow, a neon orange, and a red. I have glitter in my red, but you don't have to as long as it's a deep red. Now, I also have a red glitter, and you can buy red glitter anywhere, craft stores, or any kind of beauty supply store now. So, let me zoom in. Come on, Rob, there we go. All right, Nameless. So we tried this before, but the baby was not having her. So, I'm going to start with my pinky nail, and I have a French manicure all lined up and ready to go. And I'm going to put a quick coat of French onto all of them, like this. Okay, and then just go from each one like that. By the time you get back to your first finger, by the time that you make it through all 10 and get the clear on there, by the time you make it back to here, it should be pretty well dry, because it's just a real thin coat. But what it does is it gives you extra coverage. It's kind of like putting concealer on. The first layer is just a regular foundation, and then the second one is the concealer. So with the second one, I want to make sure that my cuticle looks great and that all my other polishes are open. So I have them all open and ready to go, and I want to make sure that I have a nice thick flat coat going across this full nail. Then I'm going to go in with the yellow, orange. Do you hear the baby on her pacifier? I hope that you can hear that on the video. And then the red on the end. Cap it. Take the brush, and my brush is a liner brush that you get at robinmosesnailart.com. It is called the Wand. And do you see I had time to clean that off? Now I go up, 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 and then down, push off, then down, down, like that. Okay? Then I take my finger and take all the excess off the sides, and that is what allows your design to dry quickly. So, let me get that off here. It's going to take most of it off of the end and make it into a pink, but it will still be red where they meet each other. This will be pink. I'm going to go and do all of them. I'll do one more and film in just a sec. I'll meet you back. Okay, so now somebody's asleep. Much easier. I'm going to go in with one coat. I'm going to try to give you as many details as possible. This coat has to be as wet as it can be. And then you want to work fast. 1 stripe, 2 stripes, and then 3 stripes. Then with the liner brush, you want to make sure that you go up, 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 up. Now, you can go like this between each stroke and go down like that, and then wipe, 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 wipe. Or you can go in and then go back upon yourself, and then you'll have the little teardrops coming back up into the design. I like it both ways. I don't have a preference. But now I'm going to take the red glitter out on a plate and add clear polish. And I've added Dazzle Dry, which is a problem usually because it dries really fast. And you want to have a lot of time to work, but this design takes a little while to dry because of the layers. So I'm going to mix up the glitter. That's nice and thick and red. So where it's pink on the ends here that I was talking about earlier, I go back in with the red glitter and dazzle it up. that and just add it along the edge. And the awesome thing about this is that it wears so well. So like whereas if your nails wear off on the ends and if you have a problem with your polish sticking, this is guaranteed to last 2 weeks full and stay really nice on the ends, because glitter on the ends is hard to take off sometimes, but it's totally worth it if you have a lot of clients. it's a it's something that you don't have to worry about someone coming in and say, oh my gosh, all my polish wore off in 2 days, can you repolish me? And it sets you behind because of a bad paint job on the ends of the nails. I hate that. So we are guaranteed a glitter extravaganza for 2 weeks. Okay, let me finish that up. Okay, so here is the end result, and I'm going to go like that. Oh, that is so pretty. So let me put some yellow up there. And you see how it matches and it enhances the design, but at the same time, oh, it's so shiny that it's not going into, but this enhances the design, but at the same time, it's our own design. And very easy to achieve. If you go into my No Water Marble playlist, you'll see like a whole bunch of different ways. This is 3 colors, but I go up to 4, 5, 6, 7 colors in flames, or you can just look up Robin Moses Flames on YouTube and see a whole bunch of different ways of making flames if this is too hard for you. But anyways, I hope you like it and that you learned a lot. If you did, please leave me a comment. Tell me where I can improve, or tell me where I talk too much, because I'm not sure what you guys want to see. I just know that I do my best to give you as much knowledge as possible and let you do designs that cost pennies. This costs literally pennies. You can get $3 polishes and pull this off and do a good job. And all you need is practice and patience, and don't give up. And I'll see you back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye.